Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift every day in the lead up to Christmas from either Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, or Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their videos today too, as they'll also be opening a gift and it might be from me. Links are in the description. Hi there. Today is the third day of our Advent collaboration, so let's see what surprise gift we'll be opening today. Here are my bowls of surprise gifts. Try and choose something random. Go from this one. Here we go. It's from J Dolls UK. All right. Let's see what's inside. Oh, lovely. There's a little note inside that says, made from a tutorial by Octopudding, which is another wonderful YouTube channel. You must check her out if you haven't already. She is super. So, made by Octopudding and created by Jay. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Jay. We have a lovely crocheted hat. It's a sweet sort of dusky pink, and we have a wooden heart-shaped button on the front. Super, super sweet. I will definitely be using this a lot. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, pretty decorative stitches as well. I'm not really very good at using anything beyond the basic few crochet stitches, so I'm really impressed with this, Jay. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, that's lovely. Well, thank you so much, Jay, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment and let me know what you thought of today's gift. Take care, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.